This is the 2003 CLK 500 with a AMG engine on it. No supercharged, just the AMG's V8. I'm going to do the AC on that right now with the bypass substituting belt. So the AC clutch pretty much burnt out and making so much noise, and it's like falling off already. So the heat is coming up because summer is just on the corner. So I need to get this AC out of the way and put the new AC compressor on it and try to see how difficult to remove this AMG 500's AC compressor. Normal car, shouldn't take that long to uninstall the AC compressor, but European car, you don't know what kind of day you're gonna have if anything like this broken down. It could be a day job, it could be a 2-day job, because sometimes you have to remove one bolt and take 100 bolts to get to that bolt right there. Okay, so let me get started. Besides, I'm just standing here and talking to my camera. It's kind of boring. Okay, alright, hopefully everything come up. Hopefully easy like this, but they don't make car easy like that. They have to make car that this bracket here, it should have something like disconnect right here, but they have to go under the bond of the bumper. Okay, I'm gonna take down the undercover right here. See the bad boy right here? Sit on top of this frame right here. There's a bolt right here that sit on top of this frame. It's pretty tough to take them out. Right there. Not sure my camera can see it. See right here? It's right on top right here. Okay. And the only way to get that part, we have to jack the engine up. Which they make the AC compressor and all that stuff as easy as pulling the fans out, because they have a clip on it, You have to disconnect this fans plug down here and take the fans out. It's not everything's easy. Let me drain the radiator first. So now I'm starting to see things a little bit. Pull this. Okay. Go down. come off. And this is the bypass short belt. So this is a T45. And this is a E12. So removing this right here. And there's two holding that. So one right here and one on the bottom. Right here. If you're taking out that, hopefully you should be able to see already. Taking this one. Using this board to hold against that piece right here and to jack, and the other one just the motor mount, that one single bolt that holding up here right there. So both sides have single bolt that holding in the engine mount. So I just take both out and jack this engine to get this clearance right here. So that's how much room I have now. Okay, let me see what kind, what size socket going right there. Here what I did is losing both sides of the low motor mount, the bolt that holding the bottom, and I jack a little bit up to get a clearing down there where the bolt go, and I using this engine. So I don't have no plate to hold it, so I just tie down to the exhaust manifold, both sides. So now I got room right there to removing that bolt that was hold on top right here. So now got plenty of room to slide these bolts out, and after they got this bolt, then the other bolt is just on top, so it's not that difficult as it look. Okay, so the bolt that going right here is E12. Okay. Oh man, this is my special tool that I bought this, and I cut it to make something short like this. Very useful. Okay. So there's another one right there, you can see right here, and another one is the back here, up there, right here. Okay, I'll show my camera can see it right there. So there's three holding the AC compressor. I'm going to use this white ball and going through right here. Mula. Got it out. Let me get the other one. My camera cannot see it, so if you're doing here, you should know what you're doing. So I don't have to show you everything that I do. Sorry camera, you cannot see it. It's a secret. So right there, that's what I'm doing. Okay.
The new one's in, and I'm ready to drop the engine. I'm going to put my jack back on and jack a little bit up and loose the top, and it will drop down, and I'm going to tie the motor mount. Okay, motor mounts is only have this little tiny bolt here holding the motor mount, and very surprised me that how small it is to holding the whole car. Okay, normally car have this side, it should be this size motor mount bolt holding, but for this car it's size 12 only. Okay, so on this is 13, but you know, 12, 13 should have a 17, but this car has a tiny one. That's what I'm doing. Okay, so now the engine dropped and there's no more room. Well, it used to be no more, but let me see. Oh, the mount is not even close to that, so I need to do adjusting a little bit. Okay, now it's straight, so I'm going to lock it in with my motor mount. All right, that's tight enough. I'm gonna put this bad boy back in there. Okay, so I can put my 17 belts in now. I forgot to record it, the fan put in, but hey, you know how to put the fan back in already. I don't need to show you how to put the fan. Okay, done.